how's it going? It's Brian here from GaniFit, and today what I wanted to share with you is actually how to spend your tax refund wisely, at least in my opinion. This is a video I think is going to help you, and this video might get a lot of hate actually because most people just spend their tax refund on junk that's just going to depreciate, and I can't really blame those people either because all of the advertisements and stuff are said, oh, buy this, blah blah blah, you need this thing, blah blah blah, and like buy a new car or buy this or that. And you know what, I actually had the same thing. I wanted to go and buy some new headphones or new computer with it, but I didn't really need that. Yes, a computer would help, but the headphones really wouldn't be much of a difference for me. A computer would help me, but I don't need it right now. So I decided to do something a little bit smarter, at least in my opinion, and this is something that I think is going to help you if you want to get the most out of your tax refund. And this is going to be investing it in some kind of, in yourself pretty much actually, to make either more money or whatever you're doing to make like a better production video or something, rather than just spending it on a car or whatever they tell you to spend it on. Yeah, if you really want to make the most of your tax refund, this is what I did, and I'm hoping this will help you. What is this? Found a dog booty. Oh, that's funny. The reason I think this is going to help you is because if you spend it on something that's going to depreciate or whatever, you're not going to get the most of it, and you're probably just going to do the same thing next year. What I did was I went to Target. I spent about $100 on, well, if you guys know, you've been watching me for like the last couple of videos or whatever, you know I've been doing retail arbitrage, and I probably have lost $100 or $200 so far doing it, but the last couple hauls I think I did pretty good on. The last haul I did was I think I made between like 30 and 40 bucks, or I think I made like 30 bucks on it. But yeah, with my tax refund, I spent about $100. Obviously my tax refund was more than $100, but I just decided, you know, I'm gonna test out some stuff, and I'm probably gonna do this a couple more times. But I just bought some headphones and some, like, I don't even know what they were. It was like a box with like a diamond in it or something. I don't know what it is exactly, but the selling rank on both of those was really good, and still waiting for those to sell, believe it or not, which is weird. But anyway, I invested $100 or so into these things that I knew had a pretty good, like, or at least a decent profit margin on them. I was hoping to make about like 20 to 40 bucks with everything, and I spent $100. Might not be the best return on investment, but there's still going to be return on it. And when those things do sell, I'm going to be able to use that whatever 120 bucks or 140 bucks on other items to keep flipping them and keep making more and more money. And this is what I want to impress upon you when you're using your tax refund, is to use it on something where you can keep making more and more money instead of something that is going to take away money and lose value over time. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. And if you like, if this is a totally different perspective too, comment down below on your thoughts on this. And also, if you would like me to make more retail arbitrage videos, that'd be awesome. I definitely will in the future. And subscribe to the channel as well if this helped you, and click that bell next to the subscribe button. Anyways, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one, and have a great day.